Hey, greetings everyone. Welcome back to Semipro Outdoors. This is our project. I inherited this boat. Unfortunately, it was because my dad passed last year. So to kind of honor him, we're going to redo his boat from the ground up. So I hope you follow along. Make sure you're subscribed because we're going to be going through this step by step. Today, the first step is...
grind off all the paint and probably paint half.
All right, so yes, the first job we got to do today is to get rid of all the old paint. Unfortunately, this has been sitting for a while, so we've got some citrus strip, boom, and we got some 80 course sandpaper, and we're gonna do this the old-fashioned way with a little bit of elbow grease. So, oh, and we got wire brushes.
Like the black paint is easy to come off, so it actually is harder than it looks.
Hey, so we did plenty of the grunt work yesterday. We got down past a couple layers of paint. And we decided that since, before we get too much further on this project, we have to make sure the boat is seaworthy. So we're out here at Hillsborough River, and we're gonna see if this boat floats before we start doing too much more on it, and maybe catch some fish.
It's a beautiful day to go fishing, so it actually feels very nice.
All right, so we made it out here to the Hillsborough River, and so far so good. No leaks. She appears seaworthy, and the motor works, batteries work, and
Also we have the curse of the flying bait.
The curse of the flying bait. Yeah, someone keeps throwing their baits up into the trees.
It's you.
It's this one.
It's you.
It's this one.
How's things going? He's hooked onto a log. So that makes him -2 points. Oh.
Get that flying at you?
Yes.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, that worm, the worm that's on his rod, literally was next to my cheek.
All right, so it floats. We did not sink. That's about as good a sign as we can get today. Even though we didn't catch fish, it's a little cold. We had a cold front. Didn't even see fish out there, but you know what? Phase 1 is done. Thank you for tuning in, and get ready for phase 2, right?
Don't forget to subscribe to us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.